please avoid eating those street foods. This is very, very much harmful for our body. This is very, very much harmful because you know what? The more you will eat junk food or street food, what will happen? It will affect your health, and you will not be able, to feel completely relaxed because this will create a sort of disturbance in your body. So we should avoid eating those junk foods. These three things are most important
Yeah.
to imbibe a healthy
Hi,
life.
good evening.
Yes, hello, Ayushi. A very good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. And you?
Yep, I'm doing perfectly alright. Thank you so much for asking. So, tell me, how is your family? All good?
Yeah, all are good. And how's your family?
Yeah, all are very good. Thank you so much. So, you know what? Today's topic is very much interesting. The topic that we are going to discuss today is that you know what? We all know that nowadays, young generation, not
Yes.
only the young generation, many such persons, they are very much addicted to do workout. Like they go to the gym, or you know what? They do some workout on a daily basis. So today the topic is that if we will do workout on a daily basis, then what are the benefits of doing workout? Okay. So I would like to, I want that you to speak something on that topic. That what are the benefits of doing workout on a daily basis? Please.
Okay, so the benefit to work out that we live healthy, we stay healthy, and workout is very important in our life. And because some
Okay.
people have lots of fat, so it's so that if that people work out daily, so uh, it can the people can fit, so the workout is good and everyone have to do workout, exercise, yeah.
Okay. So what? The main thing is that see, now I will speak about the workout. See, you know what? Nowadays, everyone want, they want to become stylish. They want that, you know what? I will become completely perfect. Like
Yeah.
my physique, my body, yeah, my body structure will become completely perfect. Like if I will wear a branded shirt or a branded t-shirt, whatever I will wear, it should fit on my body. That is the most important thing. So what happens that if we will do workout on a daily basis, then what will happen? Then you know what? We will be able to get a very good physique. Then whatever the whatever dress we will wear, like like a branded t-shirt or a branded shirt or a non-branded t-shirt or whatever we will wear, you know what, the appearance of that will be completely amazing. That is the most important thing. And obviously, you know what, if we will do workout on a daily basis, then we will gain a lot of strength, a lot of stamina, and always, you know what, we will be able to do any work. We will never ever we will feel tired. Suppose, you know what, like I am doing workout daily for 1 hour or half an hour, then what will be the result of this? After doing the workout, if I will do a normal work in my home or anywhere outside, I will not feel tired. I will always feel very much energetic. That is the most important thing. And you know what, doing workout is also the most important thing. And apart from that, after your workout, taking some heavy meal, like like chicken, then fruit, then vegetables, then milk, butter, all these foods are very, very much beneficial to be, to imbibe a healthy life. That is the most important thing. So now I would like to yeah, so now I would like to ask you that, yeah, do you work out?
Yeah, I work out, and when in the morning at 5 o'clock, so I
Okay.
just go to run outside, and after that I come to my home. After that. I just do workout, and if we want to see to ourselves good looking, so we have to work out. If we
Yes.
want to stay healthy, so we have to work out and we have to eat fruits.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you know what the main thing is? And you know what the main thing is that suppose I will say that, you know what, Suppose I'm a job seeker. I'm not doing any job. So you know what? I can do a workout on a daily basis in the morning time, because you know what? In the morning time, everything will remains completely fresh. I mean, your environment, atmosphere, your overall environment, becomes completely fresh. So I will prefer that doing a workout on a daily basis, basically in the morning time,
Yeah,
is very much, yeah, it's very much beneficial, because you know what happens that some people, they have their office, so they prefer doing the workout in the evening time. So you know what the main thing is, that evening time, see, we can do workout in the evening time also, but you know what, if we will do workout in the evening time now, then what happens that we will not be able to get a fresh air, fresh environment as compared to the morning one.
exactly.
Yeah. So I
So
will, yeah, tell me.
yeah, when we do workout in the morning, so we feel fresh
Yeah,
and wonderful, and
yeah,
we just feel very good. And
yeah,
in evening, not we just feel good, but not very good, because in the
yeah,
evening and not the air are very amazing, but the in morning time the air are amazing, and with birds, and we can work out in our
yeah,
balcony.
right, yeah, right,
Ye-
right.
yes,
And you know what? We always say that, do workout on a daily basis, and the more you will do workout, you know what, you will be able to get a very good physique. You will be able to get a lot of strength, stamina. You will feel completely
yes,
energetic. This is one thing. But apart from workout, one most important thing is there. The thing that we will have to take some hygienic food. That is the most important thing. For example, suppose if I will take, like butter, then ghee, then
yes,
chicken,
you're
chicken, green vegetables or milk, that is completely fine. That will nourish my whole body, and I will be able to gain a lot of strength, a lot of stamina. But what nowadays what we do, we like to eat junk food, street food, like like momo, chips, chow. So all these foods are, these foods we should avoid taking these foods, because the more you will consume, the more you will take those street foods. It will, it will destroy your stamina, it will destroy your calorie, and that day you will take all those junk foods, you will feel completely fine, but the very next day, you will feel like, that you are very much tired, very much clumsy. So taking those junk food, the most important thing. Workout is the most important thing to make ourselves completely fine. But the most important thing is that we should avoid eating those junk food. Because what happens that why we work out? We work out, so that there will be no such fat in our body. There will be no such fat. No such fat will get consumed by our body. But if we will take all those junk food and all that, junk food will always gain the fat in your body. That is the most harmful thing ever. So this what I
yes,
yeah, so this is what I will say, that what we should avoid. We should avoid eating, like wherever we will go. Yeah, taking junk food for once in a month or twice in a month is fine. But on a daily basis, like 2 3 days in a week, on a daily basis, eating those junk food is very much harmful for our body. That's
yeah, you're right, absolutely right. So if we work out, so we got a stranger, and do you work out daily? I want
Uh, you know what? I used to do workout,
to
but
ask you.
at the I used to do workout on a daily basis, but at the moment, I became completely lazy. I have become completely lazy. So for the time being, I have postponed that workout. But yeah, definitely, but after a couple of days later, I will join a gym, and then I will start up my workout on a daily. And one thing I should to say to everyone, that if we want to keep ourselves completely fit, healthy, and mentally completely
yes.
relaxed. If we want to keep ourselves completely relaxed mentally, then we should do workout at least half an hour on a daily basis. On daily basis. And you know what? Some people are there. They do yoga. They do meditation. You know what? Just to keep them completely flexible. So this is the most important workout ever. Like if we will do workout also on a yeah, if we will do workout on a daily basis, that is also very much beneficial for us. Apart from that, if we will do yoga, if we will do meditation, like daily in the morning, like for 15 minutes or for 20 minutes in the morning time, then also this is very much beneficial to keep ourselves completely fit and completely healthy, whatever. Yeah, that's thank you.
So you, so uh, if we are not, if we have no time to do workout for 1 hour or 2 hour, so we can do the workout 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely.
yeah,
Yeah. See, actually, you don't know what. Suppose I'm an employer and I'm doing a job and I don't have that much of time. At least daily for half an hour. At least for half an hour also, if we will do workout on a daily basis, then this half an hour workout only the impact of that half an hour workout will work greatly in our body, will work in a very
yes,
much amazing way. So I will suggest that we will never ever we will stop doing the workout. Even if like like if we have like half an hour time in our hand, then we should do at least half an hour workout in our daily basis in the morning time to make ourselves or to keep ourselves completely fit and healthy and mentally like flexible or mentally completely fresh. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
we just fit, healthy.
Yeah,
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 and
workout. Yeah.
this is really, the workout is very amazing. And do you know about some persons, like some persons wake up in the morning and some and work out, exercise for
Okay,
fit their body, and some people like sleep like students,
okay.
children's like sleep.
Yeah.
The moms, the all moms wake up in the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and the children wake up, I think, 8 or 9 o'clock, because nowadays school are not open. So children also not work out, and the children just sleep at 9 o'clock, and the children wake up 10 o'clock. It's not
Uh-huh.
good.
It's very bad. It's very bad.
Yeah, it's very bad for the health.
Yeah, it's very bad for the health. Obviously, it's very bad. You know what? The thing is that I will suggest that like whoever is the viewers, like whoever when you will upload the video on your channel and whoever will watch the video, I will, what they will get a very amazing message from this video conversation is that like three things are very much important in our life. Number one is that early to bed and early to rise. Number one. Number two is that do workout on a daily basis if possible for half an hour only. And number three, the most important thing is that please after you do workout or you don't do workout, that's fine, but please imbibe a healthy life. That's it.
Children's like children's not like to work out. Children's like fast food. That's not good for the health.
Obviously.
Some children's like always want to eat the fast food, and some children like to work out, like to eat the homemade food, and that's good. We have to work out, we have to eat the homemade food. And if sometimes we can eat the fast food, but not order all time, because that's not good. We are not workouting, and also we are eating the fast food, so we can got ill. So so that's not good.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, thank you.
Really, this is a wonderful topic.
Yeah, this is a very wonderful topic, and you know what? I do believe that when the viewer they will watch our video, they will be able to get a very strong message that what are the things, what are the things they should follow to get a very hygienic and a very good and very healthy life. It's a very good topic to have a conversation with. Thank you so much for the support.
Yes.
To that. Thank you. Okay, so Ayushi, it was really an amazing conversation with you. So I hope you liked my topic. So if you want it, then you can yeah, you can upload it on your channel. No issue for that. And apart from that, if you want, like whatever the social media you are using, like WhatsApp, Facebook, then YouTube, you can upload it there. And I genuinely I believe that when your viewers and when my viewers they will watch the video, they will be able to learn something that what are the things required to gain a
Yes.
healthy life. Yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
Okay, bye. Good
bye
night.
bye.
See you.
Good night. Yeah, take care.
Um, okay, meet you tomorrow
Yeah, sure.
with a new
Bye bye.
topic.
Yeah, yeah,
Bye.
sure. Good night. Bye bye. Good night.
Good night.